Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today's video is going to be a makeup look showing you how to create this Glam Golden Cherry eyeshadow look. This video is in collaboration with Mermaid Bidisha, so be sure to check out her channel. It will be linked down below to see how she created this Midnight Orchid makeup look. To get started, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids, and I'm just going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eye primer. This does a really good job of keeping my eyeshadow intact all day. For this look, we're going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. This is one of my new favorites, and I'm going to be taking the first shade, Hotspot, and applying this all over the lid as a base. Next, using the shade Juicy, I'm going to apply this to the crease area and just work it into the crease. Don't worry about getting it too precise because we're going to be going in with other shades. Next, using the shade Bing, I'm just going to deepen up the crease with this color. Now using the shade Devilish, I'm going to take this and apply it mostly to the outer crease area and the outer edges. I just want to deepen up these areas and give them a little bit more dimension. Using my finger, I'm going to apply the shade Turn On to the lid area. I tried using this shade with a brush before and it just didn't apply as well. I find that using your finger applies it the best. I'm just going to go back in with Devilish one more time and just add a little bit more dimension to those outer areas that got lost when I was applying the lid shade. And after doing that, I'm just going to use my finger to apply Turn On a little bit more onto the lid and just blend these two colors together. Now using the shade Privacy, which is the darkest shade in the palette, I'm going to actually use the brush that came with the palette and use that kind of flat, dense, small brush. And I'm going to apply this only to the very outer V area, just to really kind of build up that dimension there on the outer edges. I'm also going to work a little of that Privacy shade on the lower lash line. Just going to use a fluffy brush to brush away any fallout that may have fell, and then I'm going to take my brush and use Hotspot one more time to kind of blend out the outer edges and underneath the brow bone. Now I'm going to use this little gold glitter from Wet n Wild. I honestly cannot find out what the name is because it has worn off, but it's basically a gold glitter topper, and I'm applying this only to the lid area just for a little bit of sparkle and glam. For my eyeliner, I'm using this tattooed eyeliner from Scone Cosmetics and just creating a small wing on the outer edge of my eyes and kind of lining along the lash line. Next, using this gunmetal shade liner from NYX Cosmetics, I'm just going to apply this to the waterline to further deepen up this eye look. Just going to curl my lashes and then we will apply some mascara. For my mascara, I'm using this volumizing mascara from Revlon and it is in a black shade. I'm just applying this to my upper and lower lashes. Since my foundation and concealer is already done, I'm just taking some Wet n Wild blush and working this onto the high points of my cheekbones. I find it looks most flattering there. And then using my Jouer highlighter in Rose Quartz, just applying this to the cheekbone and the bridge of the nose. For my lip color, I'm using this Joa Beauty lipstick in the shade Yas. This is definitely one of my favorite lip colors. It's a beautiful nude and complements every look. And the look is done. I really love this look. I think it's very glam, but still appropriate for the daytime. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you'll try it out yourself. And also be sure to check out Mermaid Bidisha's channel and check out her Midnight Orchid video. Thanks guys, bye!